Hello YouTube, in this video we'll talk and see how to install Windows updates in 3 ways. Hello YouTube, today we are going to talk about how to remove the latest Windows updates that has been installed in your Windows and then you want to delete or remove from installation. Okay, there is 2 ways to do that. First, from the Windows, you go to click Start, go Settings, and you click Windows Updates. Go for Windows Updates, as you can see. Go for View Update History, and here you can see Install Updates, and here all the updates that have been installed in my computer. So here, as you can see here, like I can remove this one. I'll show you when to install these updates, yes or no. So, or you can click by Windows I and go for Windows security update and security, and like the last steps, install, and here you are. Click with the right in Start and go for Windows PowerShell admin and type this follow command. Click enter, and here the list of my latest update. And here, if you can see here, we have hotfix ID. To install one of these updates, you have to type this command and write the ID. As you can see here, for example, this one, KB 5028849. 5028849, and click enter, and you can see here, and as you can hear, Windows pop up and ask for if you want to install the following Windows software update, and from my for sure I will say no. To run up startup repair, all you have to do is go to Start, then go to Settings, and then Update and Security. Go to Recovery, and here you find it. Restart now. Or just by click Windows I, and then go Update and Security. Go to Recovery, and here again. Or try to reset every time till you get this preparing automatic repair. Here you have to wait, diagnosing your PC. Okay, here we go to advanced option, and this install updates is by remove the recently installed quality or featured updates from Windows. Thank you for watching, and don't forget please to subscribe and like our video and visit our website. Thank you and have a great day. Sayang.